Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to today's tutorial in which we are going to learn how to draw a beginner friendly tutorial on creating a beautiful dandelion painting using a toilet paper rolls. Yes, you heard that right. We will be turning a simple household item into a creative art tool. So let's gather our supplies and get started. First, you will need some basic materials, a canvas or thick paper, acrylic paint in the color of your choice, a paintbrush, and of course, an empty toilet paper roll. You may also want a paper plate or palette for mixing your paint. To begin, squeeze a bit of paint onto your palette. For a classic dandelion look, white and yellow work well, but feel free to get creative with different colors. Next, take your toilet paper roll and flatten one end, creating a slightly oval shape. This will be used to stem the flower's fluffy petals. Now gently dip the flattened end into a paint and start stamping in a circular motion to form the shape of the dandelion. Don't worry about making it perfect. The beauty of dandelion is in their natural wispy appearance. Add a few more layers with different paint amounts to create a textured look. Once you have stamped the petals, you have use a fine paintbrush to add some details like the stem and a few seeds blowing away in the wind. You can make the stem by simply drawing a thin line downwards from the dandelion head. And there you have it, a stunning dandelion painting created using just a toilet paper roll. We hope you enjoyed this quick and easy technique. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more beginner art tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy painting.